So this is my Oculus Quest 2, which I just got. So I'm going to unbox it. So I'm going to try and find the way in. Yes, I believe you take it out. Not the best with boxes. Oh, there we are. It's sliding off. Oh. To reveal this box, which then goes in, and I see the headset. It looks very comfortable, actually. I feel it, and it feels really comfortable. Like when I put it on my head, I feel like it'll be quite comfortable. So yeah, it has I believe this is documentation. I get it out. Let's see. I'm going to open this and I'll be back. I've opened up one layer of the packaging for the, I believe this will be, oh yeah, so this is the documentation and the power brick and cable, which is good. So yeah, that's the unboxing. I hope you enjoyed, and goodbye.